Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Change your interior light bulb. It's probably burnt out if you're changing it, or you're trying to put in a different bulb or something. Ours is not burnt out, so it's on. It's going to be hot when you take this off, but you take a small flat-bladed screwdriver, and there's a little cutout in the trim and then a little cutout in the plastic, and we'll pry it out, and then it will just hinge out like this. You don't want to touch that with your bare fingers. It is hot, and it will burn you. You've taken some needle nose pliers, cover them in masking tape. I'm going to hold the bulb. You probably won't be able to pop them out with the pliers. Then I'll take the flat-bladed screwdriver and just kind of pop it out of the wedge, and then hold the bulb. And it's super, super hot, so you don't want to touch it. And it's just a large fuse bulb. And to reinstall it, just push back into place. Push the cover back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.